we'll check this off and move to function, how function works. So let's clear all of this and of course start all over. So we'll do a function, and then we want to say that this is an addition function. Addition, to spell that correctly, and then like this. You could also choose to make this an arrow function. Sorry, I'm already mistaking for an arrow function. All right, you could choose to make this an arrow function, and it's going to work just the same. So a comma b, and we want to return a plus b, something like this. It's already telling us that this parameter is implicitly any, which is not what we want. So let's see how these types work. All right, so for you to declare type here, you need to specify inside of here what you expect this number, this a to be, and we expect that it should be a number. Also, we expect that the b should be a number, like that, and then we expect that it should return for us a number, like so. So when you do this and you call on this function, then you see that it should work perfectly, and you see that we are able to fix most of the errors we are getting right from inside of our browser. So if we do a console.log at this point and pass in our addition function and put in like a 2 and a 3 there, this should give us 5. All right, so let's run this and we get 5. All right, how about if we pass in a string? So pass in a string here and see that we are getting an error because it is requiring that this place be a number. It's already telling us that string is not assignable to a parameter of type number, like this. All right, now something else you can do or you need to know is that you could specify that a particular parameter is optional. So for you to do that, you just need to add a question mark in front of the parameter, like we are seeing. It's calling us for an error here, but it's telling us that this is possibly undefined. Yeah, because you are making an addition here, you cannot add a to an undefined, but I'm just specifying that this is how you could make anything optional, but you need to also satisfy other conditions. Now this might be easier if it's like a string or something like that, but this is basically how it works, and you can use this anywhere, even when declaring types. So that's it for functions for you. Just in case you will not be probably returning anything, you can just change here to void, something like this. But if you change here to void, you would also need to fix here. So that means you need to just put a return because it's not expecting anything, and also everything is clear. All right, so back here